Okay guys, this is Mike from GreatStockPicks.com. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm a big fan of bounce plays, and this is one BEAT that I'm going to be watching on Friday for a potential bounce. You have two big down days in a row. It did have some resistance here at 7, which became support, so there's three different things I'm looking for. Okay, everything I do on a bounce play depends on intraday action, so there's no possible way I can say, hey, buy it at X price. Okay. But I can tell you in the video the three things that I'm looking for. One is if it gets down to 7 because of the resistance and then support here, I'll be looking for a potential intraday pattern for a bounce play. Two, if it were to just go sideways for a couple hours and then break its early high, that's almost a gimme as far as an easy day trade. And three, if this were to gap down and then trade in a narrow range for 2 or 5 minutes and then break its early high, a high of day break, a break above that early 2 or 5 minute candle with a stop below that same candle, oftentimes is very powerful too. We call that a bounce play gap down setup. So any one of those three things, I know it's not very easy to follow those, but if you have the luxury of being able to trade tomorrow from wherever you are, if you can keep BEAT on an intraday chart, I think it'll be worth watching. I haven't even looked up other stocks yet. I've still got to go find some other stocks for the chat room to trade tomorrow, but this one caught my eye and I thought I'd make a quick video on it. So keep your eyes on this one. Keep it on an intraday chart. See if you can find one of those three setups that I just talked about. And I will try to follow up this weekend on whether or not we found a setup in BEAT on Friday and how we traded it. All right, we'll talk to you later.